Well, just 2 days after the contentious Republican town hall in Coeur d'Alene, we received a press release from the Kootenai County Sheriff's Office.
It said it was aware of Sheriff Bob Norris's involvement and it would have a complete and independent investigation of the incident conducted by an outside agency. Marissa Rio joined us live from the Kootenai County Sheriff's Office. But Marissa, you haven't been able to find any evidence that this investigation was ever even asked for.
That's right, Derek and Kirsten. It is important to note that the Coeur d'Alene Police Department also investigated this incident, and it listed Sheriff Norris as a person involved, but not as a suspect. Now, since that investigation, the city has filed charges against members of the security firm involved. Now, I've been asking the Kootenai County Sheriff's Office since Friday for an update on this independent investigation and have yet to find any evidence that such an investigation was even asked for. Here is video from February's town hall.
There's an opportunity for you to sound off.
Teresa Borenpol is heard shouting at the speaker, and Sheriff Bob Norris is seen grabbing Borenpol's arm at an attempt to get her to leave. He is later seen directing improperly marked security to remove her.
Is this your deputy?
As Borenpol shouts at Sheriff Norris, asking if these men are his deputies, Sheriff Norris is seen recording the interaction on his phone before security ultimately drags her out. This is the press release we received 2 days later, saying the sheriff's office was aware of Sheriff Norris's involvement and it would move forward with an independent investigation. On Friday, we asked the Kootenai County Sheriff's Office for an update on this independent investigation and who was conducting it. We received this email Friday saying the sheriff's office had no comment. We also put in a public records request to the sheriff's office on Friday asking for this information. We received this response yesterday, April 22nd. Unable to respond, record not known to exist. I put in a public records request with the county as well and was told it had no record of this either and that I would have to contact the sheriff's office. Since this incident, Teresa Borenpol has filed a notice of tort claim against the security firm involved and the Kootenai County Sheriff for $5 million. Now, under Idaho state law, the Attorney General is to respond and investigate if any elected county officer has allegations that he or she violated state law. So I did reach out today. I emailed the Attorney General's office to see if they've received such allegations or if it's investigating, and I have yet to hear back. As for the Kootenai County Sheriff's Office, I've gone into this office here in Coeur d'Alene today. I went to their Hayden office to see if anyone could be available to speak with me about why we cannot find any records that they requested this independent investigation, and no one's been available to speak with me. Live from Kootenai County, Marissa Rio for News Now.